3/16. Okay, one baby. So keep it tight. That way you'll hold it and it won't move over here. This side come down. Wait a minute. Might be it already from that screw. But if not, that little bit right there, dude. That little bit right there.
Then why are you talking to yourself?
All right. So, in my pocket, 2 washers right there. That might be too big. I have to go up. I want it to be too sloppy. Okay. Go up to the closet. Let's see how you fit in there.
I'm just recording this for my own benefit.
Yep.
Trust me, this one ain't going nowhere but on my phone.
Uh-huh.
It's just a video.
Yep.
What he's doing, he's putting the light in, the fan, got the door in, venue board. Now he's working on the wires.
All right, 1/4 inch rivet. 1/4 inch drill bit.